okay.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm just going really slow and then I speed it up.
Oh yeah, no, sorry. Oh, for what I did?
I got a YouTube.
or something?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Here, I'll show you.
No, yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's just some people are like, why is there a camera going around?
Yeah, here. That's my RC channel.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I don't go real fast. I just go slow because then I speed it up 500%.
Gosh, yeah. No one said anything about like safety. They're like, why is there a camera going around? Yeah, sorry, man. I gotta actually stop. There's no recording inside Target.
Okay.
Thank you for being a good sport about it.
It's okay.
I never feel bad. I was like, I don't know what's going on, but
yeah. It's all good.
Sorry.
It's okay. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
Again, thank you
All
for
right.
being a good sport about it.
That's all good. I appreciate it. Bye bye.